All right, we got the fan installed and we're gonna use the remote. I can hit the light. On this fan, you can't change the color of the light. So these can dim. You have to get dimmable light bulbs. And you can dim or go brighter. Subtle. Okay, and then you can turn the fan on. And you probably have 6 speeds, we'll say. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's got multiple speeds on the fan, and then you can reverse the direction, forward, reverse. You can do timers for 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours. You can mute the beeping. And then it has this fan button that it will simulate outside air, and it'll spin fast and then slow and then fast and slow. So it's variable random speed. And that's the light. It's got crystals all the way around it. They're real glass. So be careful when you're installing it because they are real glass. It's not plastic. The chandelier lights do not come with the fan, so you'll need to make sure you get at least three lights with it. Alright, and then the fan blades have 2 different colors. There's a lighter color and a darker color of wood. We really like this light wood, and I really like how the top hugs the ceiling, so it puts the fan up higher and has a really fancy looking lighting chandelier on it. So that is the 52-inch 5-blade ceiling fan from Chandelier.